We go, guys. Got about 50 more seconds left on this 4 minute chart of Apple. And what we're looking for is basically a 1, 2, 3. So we had a low pivot here. So one, two, higher low here, potentially three. So we're going to give it a few seconds. Got 30 seconds, and then we'll see if that play will come out and be able to do it, meaning that we get a close, where we are pretty close to it here. And because this is basically, uh, like I talked about in the last video, one big green candle. We're staying in the upper, part of that big green candle, this power move to the upside. However, if we keep pulling back like we are, that's not good. So let's see where we open. I got my trigger. Well, it's green. Let's see if we get a little pullback. There we go. And if we turn green again, we will see about making an entry here. And then if we come down and hit that 8 exponential again, we might add to it. But, like I was saying before, we're looking for that 3 count, 1, 2, 3, at least back up into this 200 there. Possibly higher if we can take out, obviously, the top pivot here and run. But anyway, we have 3 more minutes to go. So let me put you on pause and then we'll pick it up as the price action picks up, either, like it is now to the downside, or if we pull back up there to the upside. But yeah, let's put it on pause just for, a few more minutes. Okay, guys, we're back with you. As you see, we came down and hit the 8. Now we're pushing to the upside. Still have a minute 20 to go. So we'll see how this ends up. Right now looking pretty good, but that much time on the clock, we could roll over and this could be red. But we're going to hold in here, see what that three-way, three-play, and then come up here into the 200. 145.80 or so. That's probably where we'll get out of this thing. In about 40 seconds. Let me put you back on pause and then we'll pick it up here. Okay, guys, we got about less than 10 seconds. Then we're going to close and, of course, pop another candle. And wish we would get a nice, push real hard thrust up into that 200, that purple line. We'd go ahead and take it. In other words, get out of that play. We'll see if that's the. Looking over here, we're above our. Maybe we can get support here, being above this high pivot level over here on this side. See that blue dash line over here? Maybe that'll give us. Here we go. Let me pull that in so you can see it. Come on now. Just run, run, run. 30. See, we can't get another hit. Okay, 140, we're out. Okay, that's good. Now let's see, because we're on a time count here. We could get a red candle next after this one. Pause candle, whatever. And boom, yeah, I'd probably been a little bit more cash and carry right there. Yeah, we're right into it, over the 200 now. And of course, got out a little early. But hey, as we took some away from Las Vegas, that's the main thing. As you see, we're pulling back a little bit after hitting that 200, but we'll see. We'll see how this closes. I mean, we still have half the life of the candle because this is a 4 minute candle. Every 4 minutes it, clocks out, boom, another four, another four. So we got 2 more minutes. So we'll see. We might even run up to this high pivot there. before it pulls back. So let's see how we do. There we go. And people probably ask, well, is it it is a little frustrating to have gotten out and then you see this. But it's crazy. See all the red over here? um, anyway, we were coming up into a down, a 200, moving to the downside. And a lot of times, once you make a new intraday high like this, you'll get a slam down. They'll pull people in there. Well, if we make a move to the upside again, I'll show you. Uh, come on, come on, come on. We'll take a go short here. They'll head fake, and then the next candle will be red. We go and get in here, and I'll work this. If we shove higher, I'll take another position, and we'll work this for the next 40 seconds. We made a high, a little bit lower high, but we could be on a bit of a run here. Let me see if we get over that blue dash line. There we go. There we go. 16, 15 seconds. There we go. Come on, come on. And we're going to take another short there. And see if we get that head fake. I missed it. See if we get this potential breakout. Then we get a head fake back to the downside. Okay, he's still trading pretty good up there, actually. But at the same time, we're still looking for that rollover back into uh, this range or so of Apple. Look at the DXY real quick. Okay, yeah, it's pulling back nice. Getting a little overextended, a little too much. So we're not worried, concerned about this blowing out to the upside. Okay, we got about a minute left. And let me put you on pause. Anyway, this thing's going on over 9 minutes. Let me put you on pause. We'll come back. Maybe about 30 seconds. I'm gonna take another position here. As we run up into this high pivot over there, previous resistance. See if it'll be resistance for us here. Let me make that red for resistance. And we're expecting a red candle to come in. Pull that in so you can see what we're talking about. You always look left, see where that next resistance zone is. It's going to be a high pivot or a low pivot. And also the time count. So we had, you know, and we're well above the 20. So we had some factors on our side uh, helping us make that decision. And we're going to come down here. This is a soon to be a bow tie formation between two moving averages. Doesn't matter which two they are. When they go to cross, if price is on top on that candle, that one candle, it'll hold support. Now the next candle can drop through, but that one candle that comes down into that bow tie from the top down as they cross, something like as they cross, that candle that comes down, that'll be support, but the next one it can drop through if that makes sense. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, 370, 400, we're out. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day. See if we can hit the 200. There we go. All right, guys, this video is going on 12 minutes, 11:50. So appreciate you watching. We didn't bow tie here. See, they didn't cross, so we could go lower. But anyway, yeah, just so you know that 1, 2, 3, and then especially when you hit that like a little double top here, and then we hit that high pivot zone, way over there. Uh, this is what you get. Plus, we were on a time count and we were pretty extended above the 20. So you put all that together, see this pivot over there, came into a dump, came into a dump, then this is what we got. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the charts.